Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of products that add flair and excitement to your celebrations. Today, we're showcasing what I believe is the best in Hispanic decorations, the Hispanic Heritage Month Decorations Latin American paper plates and napkin set. If you're planning a party or gathering to celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month, this set might just be your perfect solution. This delightful set includes 20 dinner plates, 20 dessert plates, and 20 napkins, each designed with vibrant colors and cultural motifs that beautifully reflect the spirit of Hispanic heritage. The dinner plates measure 9 inches, making them perfect for serving up all your favorite dishes, while the smaller 7-inch dessert plates are ideal for sweet treats. The 6.5-inch napkins are soft, absorbent, and just what you need for easy cleanup after your event. Let's talk about quality. The plates and napkins are made from thick, high-quality paper that is non-toxic and heat-resistant. This means you can serve hot dishes without worrying about the plates bending or breaking. Plus, these are disposable, so you won't have to spend hours cleaning up afterward. Just toss them away and enjoy more time with your guests. The design of this tableware set is another highlight. Each piece features festive patterns inspired by Hispanic culture, including elements like colorful flags and passionate dancers. The printed words, Hispanic Heritage Month, are a cheerful reminder of the celebration at hand, making it perfect for any themed party or gathering, whether it's a family get-together, a community event, or even classroom decorations. But that's not all. The versatility of these plates and napkins means they can be used for various occasions beyond Hispanic Heritage Month. Think birthdays, anniversaries, or even just a lively dinner party with friends. They pair well with other decorations, like banners, tablecloths, and centerpieces, giving you endless possibilities for your event planning. Imagine the vibrant atmosphere you'll create at your next gathering with this eye-catching set. Your guests will appreciate the attention to detail and the cultural significance behind your choice of decorations. Plus, it's a fantastic conversation starter. For just $13.99, this set offers incredible value. You're getting quality, style, and convenience all in one package. To grab your Hispanic Heritage Month Decorations Latin American paper plates and napkins set, check out the link in the description below. Remember, it's not just about the food you serve, it's about the experience you create. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and tips. Celebrate your heritage in style, and until next time, happy party planning.